Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be getting a scale weight on the Corvette. So we're going to kind of walk through what's all entitled and what we've done for the little bit of weight reduction and where we're at for final weight. Alright guys, so for scaling this today we're going to be using a set of wireless scales from Longacre. It's the AccuSet 2 wireless. So that's the head unit for the system. And these are the scales. They're all labeled left front, right rear, left rear. Yeah, you're on and off switch. I gotta go through and put batteries in all of them. But super nice unit. So I'll get the batteries thrown in this and we'll go from there. All right, so we got everything set up, zeroed out, scales in each corner. We're gonna get this jacked up and see where we're at. All right, so we got it up on the scales, all four corners. And that's gonna give us 3109. So a little bias towards the passenger side. So still full AC, stock radiator. You know, pretty basic stuff. Driver's side airbag is deleted. That's gonna account for probably 5 or 6 pounds at most. But other than that, it's still pretty stock. Stock wheels, tires. Like I said, carbon hood. CD players deleted, smog stuff's out, the headers and driver's side airbag. I'd say that for what the nitrous kit added, it's definitely offset any weight savings that would have been. So thanks for watching. See you next week.